And so welcome back. We're talking about the box CSS box model, and we're dealing with the margin, the padding, and the border, the width and the height as well. And so there is something else I want to do while I'm going to take this all off, because we're actually let me leave it, because we're actually dealing. But the one thing I want to do, I want to add a background color. This I'm going to give it green. I'll copy this here. I'll give it red, so that, or yellow, so that we can have different colors, so that we can see whatever we're doing in action. And so we want to do padding right away. We're going to do CSS padding right away. And so the same way we added, so we're going to go ahead and I'll add a padding button. And so let's say I'll add 20 pixels. And so let me preview that. So you see, like I said, padding is the area. Now this is the content area from that example we showed. Then, but padding is the distance between the edge of the box and the content. So you see, I did padding bottom. You see, it's increased. Let me also do padding top. This time I'll make it 30 pixels. Let's see. So you see that. So I want to do padding left. Padding left. So I'll give this 10 pixels. So you can also do that for the right, but the right is so far, so just a moment. What's going on? Okay, I didn't terminate this line with a semicolon. So if you don't do that, it will treat it like it's a continuation. So this is it. Now we're going to go ahead and see how we can write a shorthand for the paragraph. So we'll see how we can implement that with the shorthand. And the same rules that apply to. So we'll just go ahead and say padding. And so I'm going to add padding for all the sides. So the first one I want to just add 20 pixels. Now if I add one like this, we are saying that the whole four corners should be 20 pixels. So you see, everywhere has equal display. So sometimes we don't want our content to be very close to the edge. Remember, margin is outside, padding is inside, the space inside the box and the content, while margin is outside and the edge of the screen. And so let's go ahead and add 2. Let's go ahead and add 2. Let's say this. Let's add 10 pixels to this one. So you see that movement. So you see this other side. So this, what we are saying is the left should be 10 pixels, the right should be 10 pixels, and the top should be 20. So if we go ahead and reduce it further to the second, so what if you have just 2? You are saying this one should be top and bottom, this one should be left and right. And so as usual, if we go ahead and add a third one, 5 pixels, we are saying that this should be top, this should be bottom, this should be left and right. So let's go ahead and preview that. And so you see the bottom is 5 pixels, the top is 20, here is the left is 10 pixels, the way we created it. And so, but you can go ahead and add 4. That means we are saying that the whole side should carry the same things. Alright, and so that is it about CSS padding. The next class we want to show you border, how to style border.